School. Campus. Campus. Quad. Quad. Field. Field. Bleachers. Bleachers. Administrators. Administrators. Principal. Principal. Assistant principal. Assistant principal. Counselor. Counselor. Around campus. Around campus. Classroom. Classroom. Teacher. Teacher. Restrooms. Restrooms. Hallway. Hallway. Locker. Locker. Main office. Main office. Clerk. Clerk. Cafeteria. Cafeteria. Computer lab. Computer lab. Teacher's aide. Teacher's aide. Library. Library. Auditorium. Auditorium. Gym. Gym. Coach. Coach. Track. Track.
More vocabulary. Students do not pay to attend a public school. Students pay to attend a private school. A church, mosque, or temple school is a parochial school.
Use contractions and talk about the pictures. He is. He's. She is. She's. It is. It's. They are. They're.
He's a teacher. They're students.